Do a lucky tackle box unboxing. This is the month of October. A sticker. Got some 3-aught mustard hooks. They're pink for breast cancer. That's the theme of this box. Got a Glow Pro Soft Lipless. Got a Jenko Fishing Magnum Hair Jig. Excite Baits XB1 Square Bill. I like that purple color. That's nice. We got some Smart Baits grubs. They changed to chartreuse to red. We got some Big Bite Baits Real Crawl. This is a 4-inch in green pumpkin. And then lastly, we got the BY74. This is a sinking model. It's 4 inches and it weighs 1/2 ounce. And I think that's the action that it's supposed to have. Alright, that's it for this month's Lucky Tackle Box Unboxing. So, a couple weeks ago was my birthday, and I got a Cabelas gift card, so this is what I brought with that Cabelas gift card. So, they had some clearance stuff on sale, and these were like, I think $3, and they're only $8. It's like a Senko with strands in it. I got these because everybody tries them and I wanted to try them, so I got black and blue, and I got chartreuse tip. Next I got Strike King Fat Baby Finesse Worms. This is in the dirt color. This looks just like the grasshopper color that Zoom makes, is what this color looks like. And it's a 5-inch with stick bait. Next I got 3 packs of Zoom trick worms. I got it in green pumpkin, red bug, and natural blue. I've been seeing this color a lot, and I just now decided to pick it up because I feel like it'll catch some fish, hopefully. Next from Zoom, I got plum apple baby brush hogs. This is my favorite color, soft plastic, because I catch all of my big fish on this color. So, speaking of big fish, this Saturday, like 3 days ago, went fishing right before it got dark. I had on this 11-inch plum. Well, one I had on was plum apple, but I got plum. Net bait worm, and a really big fish got hooked. And I was fishing over a barbed wire fence. It was a dumb move on my part, I know. So, and it was very, very shallow, so I should have known better. So, there's also a barbed wire fence that makes like an L. So I'm fishing right here, and then there's an L that comes out. That's another barbed wire fence. So this big fish gets tangled up around this barbed wire fence. And I'm sitting here. This fish is going to get off because it's rubbing up against that barbed wire, and this line's just going to snap. So I let my drag down a little bit, and he shot out around the point of where the L is. He shot out around. I got him not even 2 feet away from me, and I saw how big he was. And boop, he just popped off. He didn't break off, nothing. He just come off. I guess I didn't hook him good enough, so that's a good way to ruin a weekend. But I decided to get some more because I just bought these just to try them out. I didn't realize they were going to be this good. So I got one in plum and then one in Kentucky Special. This is like half plum, half green pumpkin. So I think that color will do well also. And then everybody knows that VMCs are my hooks. I don't buy anything else. Unless I don't have VMCs, then I have to buy something else. So, then when I do buy something else, I get on it. I don't get anything else. Or mustad. I just don't have a lot of good luck with Gamakatsu, so I don't buy those anymore. But my friends have them, the Gamakatsus, and they do good for them. I'm happy for them, but I like the VMC better, so that's what I get. I got the Weebus Nico hooks. I just wanted to try these out. I've been seeing them for a little while. And then I got the VMC Spin Shots for drop shotting. I just figured just to give these a try also because a friend of mine recommended them. So, and then last is my favorite lure of all time. This is the 5/16 War Eagle Finesse spinnerbait. This is the best spinnerbait you could ever buy in your whole entire life. If you only want to buy one spinnerbait, buy this one. This is in hot white chartreuse. So that's all I got for I guess for this order. For my birthday. I know I was supposed to do why I got started into fishing 2 weeks ago, but I was very, very sick and I ended up passing out because my blood sugar got too low. So that's why I didn't do that video, but I plan on doing it tomorrow. So you should see that either tomorrow or Thursday. It depends on if YouTube wants to upload the video or not, because they never do. So thanks for watching. I've been looking into a boat, not like a bass boat or anything. I wish, but I can't afford that. So I'm looking into it's a Sun Dolphin Sportsman. It's just like a little plastic bass boat. I think it'll be perfect for me and doing the pond fishing that I do behind my house. I think it'll be perfect. I think it only weighs 100 pounds, so I can put it in the back of my truck, take it wherever I want to go. I can put a trolling motor on it, or I can paddle it. I can do whatever I want to. It's got the raised seats, which I like. I don't like no kayak. I wanted a kayak, but I don't really feel like sitting on the floor and get my butt wet. So this one's got the raised seats, and it can be a 2-person or 1-person. But knowing me, I'm probably just going to be me because I bring too much stuff when I go fishing, so there's probably not going to be any room for anybody else. So I plan on getting that. Let me see if I got a picture of it. This is let me know in the comments if you think that I should get this boat. I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube saying that it's the perfect budget bass boat, and I'm not that big of a person, so I don't need no monstrosity of a bass boat. One, because you either have to get one that's really expensive or semi-expensive, and I'd rather just pay the $500 and basically get the same thing. So thanks for watching this video. I guess I'll see you next time.